to learn how to play song number 47, The Mexican Jumping Beans on Flute. In this song, we have eighth notes, and an eighth note is a half a beat. When you have two eighth notes together, it means that you're going to play two notes fast, but they've got to be even. So where this would be the quarter note, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Your eighth notes are 1 and 2 and 3 and. If you look at the very beginning of the song, we start off with B, 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 D, D, F, F, D, D, B, B, A. Remember, A is 1, 2, pinky, and thumb. Let's just try that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Then you have a high G. 1, 2, 3. G, F. Let's just play that. Ready? And rest, rest. The next part you have A, C, C. We're on the next line. E flat, C, C, A, B flat. Let's just play that. So we're on the last measure of the first line. Ready? Play A. Rest. Then you have a high G and then F. Ready? And. Now I'm going to stop there just for a moment. If you notice, we have a repeat sign here. The measure we just played, also notice that it's in box number 1. We learned this in a previous lesson. Remember about alternate endings. So you have a first and second ending. So what that means is you're going to play through the whole song. You're going to go to the second line. You're going to play box number 1 because it's the first time we're playing the song. When you're done at box number 1, you have a repeat sign. That means you're going to go back to the beginning of the song, play through line 1, go to line 2. But this time, you're going to skip over box 1 and you're going to play box 2. Box 1 means that's the first time we play the song. Box 2 means that's the second time you play the song. So we now have a repeat sign. We're going to go back to the very beginning. We have B, 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 D, D, F, F, D, D, B, B, A. Let's just play that. 1, 2, 3. Rest. G, F. Ready? Play. Rest, rest. The next part. A, C, C. Go to the next line. E, C, C, A. Let's just play that. Ready? Starting on the last measure of the first line on the A. Ready? Play. Next line. Now this is the second time we played the song, so we're skipping over box 1 and we're going to go to box 2. Now, the second note in box 2, if you notice, it's 2 different dots in the same note. What that means, it's called divisi or divide. It says D-I-V underneath it. If there were more than one person in the class right now playing, what I would do is I would divide the class in half, and half of you would play the top note, which is an E flat, and then half of you would play the bottom note, which is a low A. For now, I want everybody to play the top note, which is the E flat. So your second ending would be B flat, rest, and then everybody's going to play the top of those 2 notes. E flat, and the next one, again, you're playing the top note, D. So we're going to try it. Ready? Play B flat, rest, and then E flat, D. Rest, rest. So again, D-I-V means divided or divisi. It means that we're going to separate the class in half. But since it's just one person playing, me and you, I'm going to have you play the top notes, okay? Let's go back to the very beginning. We're going to walk through the whole thing. We're going to play through the first line. We're going to go to the second line, play box number 1. Then we repeat back to the beginning of the song, the first line of the song. Play through the first line, go to the second line, but this time we're going to skip over box 1, and we're going to play box 2 for the second time, and we're going to play the top notes where it says D-I-V. Here we go. So we have B, 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 D, D, F, F, D, D, B, B, A. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3. Rest, G, F, rest, rest. Here we go. Ready? And 1, 2. Rest, rest. The next part. A, C, C. We're on the next line. E, C, C, A. Box number 1. B flat. Let's play that. Starting on the first line, last measure. Ready? 2, 3. Next line. Box number 1. Rest. G, F, rest, rest. Here we go. I'm going to count 1, 2, and then you play that. 1, 2. Rest, rest. Repeat back to the beginning. B, 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 D, D, F, F, D, D, B, B, A. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Rest. G, F. I'm going to count 1, 2, and then you play it. 1, 2. Rest, rest. The next part. A, C, C. Next line. E, C, C, A. Let's just try that. First line, last measure. Ready? Play. Next line. Now skip over to box number 2, B, and then you're going to play rest, top notes, E flat, D. Ready? Play. Rest. Rest, rest. Great. We're going to play through the whole song in a metronome marking of 70. Try your best to stay along with the beat, and here we go. Before we start, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, ready, and play. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, and play. Rest, rest. Rest. Back to the beginning. Rest. Rest, rest. Rest. Rest, rest. Great job. I can't wait to hear your recordings.